yeah, for you and Jude?
Oh, as you can see, he cannot sit still. So he loves rough play. I try to keep up with his energy as much as I can. Hanggat makakaya ko, pero madami siya nun. Sobrang dami. So, ano ba love language namin? He also likes watching movies. We watch movies together, a lot of movies.
And then you say that you watch Earthquake.
He loves earthquakes. He's actually very, very curious. So, ang bonding talaga namin ni Jude, he likes asking questions. And as much as possible, tinatry kong sagutin lahat ng tanong niya, kahit gaano pa ka-random yung mga tanong na yan. Even at night, before we sleep, madami pa rin siyang tanong. Kahit nakapikit pa ako sa umaga, marami na siyang tanong. So, ayun yung mga little things na, yung mga bonding namin. And, ayun, ano pa ba? Medyo challenge to, no? Challenge yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Multitasking. What else? I think yun lang naman, most of the time.
Thank you. What about you, Mommy Elise?
Kami ni Feliz naman, I think what I like to give her is quality time and words of affirmation when it comes to the love languages. Kasi kapag may time and as much as possible, yun nga, I like to spend a lot of time with her. Pero, and also, kapag hindi ko mahanap yung words ko sometimes to express, dun ko rin pinapakita sa pag-spend ng time with her, and also lots of cuddles, lots of hugs, and then words of affirmation kasi pag wala naman ako and I can't be with her, dun ako bumabawi. Like, I always have to make sure na she still feels my presence and my love for her, even if I'm away. So, yun yung bawi ko sa kanya. I always let her know that I love her through my words. I would always call her, video call her kapag malayo kami sa isa't isa. That way, kahit yun nga, hindi kami magkasama, ramdam pa rin niya yung love ni Mom.
Follow-up question. What is the challenge of motherhood or fatherhood that you did not bulk away from?
We can start with Daddy Vlad again.
Parang di ba ako ready?
Surprise.
Siguro po sa pagiging daddy, no, na mga challenge na hindi natin inatasan. Siguro yung ang tingin kasi nila siguro sa mga daddies, ano ba? Hindi dapat kasi pag tatay ka, no, kailangan strong ka, kailangan pakita mo na hindi ka napapagod, no? Well, yun nga, ginawa ko talaga, no? Talagang, kailangan pakita mo talaga na hindi ka pagod, pero ano mo, importante, kahit napagod tayo, no, tayo para sa mga daddies, no, kahit siyempre ang pangit din kasi sabihin na tinatago mo yung pagod ka na pero pinapakita mo na hindi ka nahihirapan o hindi ka nape-pressure. Totoo yun, no, kasi hindi naman all the time kailangan pakita mong mahina ka, pero importante po kasi dito yung support system, no, na yung mga pag-uwi mo ng bahay, nandiyan yung wife mo, sinusupport ka, yung mga kaibigan mo, mga anak mo, yung mga nagtatanggal ng stress mo at ng pagod. Siguro yun, yung isa sa bagay na hindi ko inataksan na yung pagiging kailangan mapakita mo na strong ka kahit na marami kang niisip. Siguro yun po. Kung ewan mo, tama yung explain ko. Hindi ko na plansya na maayos yung wordings, pero siguro yun po.
Thank you. Mommy Janela?
For me, siguro, kind of similar to Daddy Vlad's answer. It's siguro iba for me because I'm more of a single mom. And present naman si Marcos sa buhay ni Jude. Pero most of the time, Jude spends his time with me talaga. Like, I would say 90% of the 80 to 90% of the time he's with me. So I think the challenge would be in moments that require it, I have to be both the mom and the dad. In teaching moments, the emotional hardships that Jude goes through as he grows up. Kailangan kong kailangan ko balansehin yung sarili ko and talagang isipin kung paano ko siya i-meet doon. And at the same time, ma-meet ko yung emotional needs and all his needs basically as a parent, as both parents. Although present naman siya, pero ayun nga, there are times na kailangan kong maging both. Kailangan kong maging strong kahit pagod na pagod ako. Kahit syempre nagtatrabaho rin tayo, so there are a lot of moments where really I'm just so drained and I want to give up and oh wow, but ayun, being strong nga amidst all of that, and syempre ang number one goal ko is hindi ko mapasa sa kanya lahat ng bigat, lahat ng whatever trauma I have growing up. Wala akong mapasa sa kanya na gano'n. Kumbaga, it ends with me. So yun yung for me, yun yung challenge and goal ko for him.
Thank you. What about Mommy Elise?
Mama, do we like that?
I actually feel for everything that Janela said, kasi nga being a single parent, you have to find the balance in
Why is there two
being the disciplinarian and then also being a good, friend to your kid. I think dun yung main struggle is to
I got paid.
know which to be on like different situations. Kasi nga, they're growing up. So, kailangan din, hindi naman pwedeng puro gentle parenting lang. I really believe na kailangan pa rin merong nagdi-discipline. So, yun yung challenge, I think, with us. And, yeah, hindi madali dahil nga working mom then as well. So, like Daddy Vlad said, it's really so helpful to ask for help with the people around you. So malaking tulong yung support system that's there for you. And it's not bad to ask for help kasi mahirap naman akuin lahat ng responsibilities, especially when you're a parent. It's not bad to ask for help. In fact, it's also healthy for you kasi yung mental health mo as a parent, it has to be actually everything, physical, mental, and spiritual health mo as a parent. You really have to keep it healthy kasi ikaw yung pagkukuhanan ng energy ng anak mo sa'yo manggagaling lahat. So, yun, it's laban lang. Kasi mahirap maging parent, but take all the help you need from the people around you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, next up we have questions from Nika Sabio from Push ABS-CBN. I'll ask on her behalf. For Janela and Elise, you both established yourselves as prominent actresses of your generation. How does this show offer a glimpse into your lives as mothers beyond the spotlight? Mommy Janela?
Sorry, what's that again?
So, since you both established yourselves as prominent actresses of your generation, how does this show offer a glimpse into your lives as mothers beyond the spotlight?
Oh. Actually, I'm really thankful na naging part kami nitong show na to. It's also a really big blessing to both of us, me and Jude. I think it showed everyone, it will show kasi hindi pa pala nagsha-show. Pero yung more of the kids talaga yung nag-ano dito. Sila yung nag-shine talaga dito. So I guess it showed more of yung strength nila.
Sorry, Mama.
It's okay. And ayan, yung mga moments na ganyan nga na it will show more of how Jude and I are at home. Since ako kasi hindi talaga ako masyadong ma-post, and I like to keep, as much as I can, I'd like to keep things private, lalo na for Jude, who isn't officially in showbiz, but you know. So what I like about being a part of this show is that they gave us the opportunity to show everybody kung paano kami, yung dynamics namin, how it gave me a platform to be able to speak about how I would like to raise him, how I would like him to grow up, and just show everybody how amazing my son is, how smart he is, how much energy he has, and all of them actually. It showed everyone yung kung gaano actually ka resilient ang mga bata, like with challenges like this, when they're faced with challenges like this na it requires them to be kind of think like grown-ups. Ang galing kasi talagang nakikita mo na bibong-bibo talaga sila. Kinakaya nila. So napaproud talaga ako. Yeah.
Mommy
Ay,
Elise.
grabe! Hindi ko alam saan ako mag-focus.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Spidey!
Nakakalito yung press con kasi yung mga kids, they have their own thing going on. So nawawala sa focus yung break.
Hindi ko ng ice cream.
Oo nga, kailangan ng konting, ano tawag doon? Paandar. Okay, so the question was, sorry, can you
I will gladly read the questions again and again for you guys. Now, since you are an established actress already, how does this show kind of give a glimpse of how you are behind the scenes?
So, like what we saw earlier in the, ano ba tawag, teaser, puro talaga, it's the kids enjoying the challenges and working to succeed on the challenges. But I guess dito makikita kung paano namin sila nire-race. Kasi hindi naman yung nakikita on TV or on social media. So here you'll see how each of the kids are being raised at home. And nakakatuwa kasi iba-iba sila ng personalities, iba-iba sila ng ugali, and you'll see how each kid really bring out a special and different flair to the challenges and to the show. So makikita natin dito kung paano din sila at home, paano namin sila inaalagaan at pinapalaki at home. It's a little glimpse of how we do it at home. And nakakatuwa kasi kami din mismo as parents, what, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
Kami din as parents, when we're watching them from behind the scenes, nagugulat din kami seeing how they are na hindi kami kasama. So kumbaga they're on their own there. It's like little grown-ups on their own doing grown-up things actually. So we're just really happy to be able to experience that through, this Lactum Bibolilits challenges. Nakakatuwa kasi for sure kayo din matutuwa sa panonood, and you'll pick up a few things of how our families are.
Thank you. We have some other questions from Push ABS-CBN. For all of our parents, as your children continue to grow, what has been the most fulfilling part of parenthood so far? Daddy Vlad, nakapagpahinga ka na.